Yo, yo, yo. Bank Boys with a double hookup. Right there.
Got a big one.
Right there. Gulf Shores.
Yes, sir.
Bank Boys, Sunday.
Take off.
Gulf Shores Part 3.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Action this morning, man.
Lunch break, bro. You know what we doing? We fishing, dude. We fishing. Got Chaser with his little basket and pulled out and caught.
Nice. Jeez.
Going back with it. Oh. Let's check it out. Let's check it out. What?
Yeah,
Nice, nice, nice.
Been a minute.
Say, Tommy.
We out here.
How you doing, buddy?
About to see what we can put.
Find you a bridge with the sweet release. Got him on the Ned rig.
To a pole.
Pretty. Get him out. Pretty. Woo. He about to take off. Big boys today, bro. Right there. First cast, cuz. First cast.
Fish, cuz.
Straight.
There's me one right there.
Ew.
Just call that alligator spotted guard.
Yep. Appreciate the tug, babe. Peace. We're gonna go back with this little mini tank right here. Solid fish, bro. Fat. Set of mannequins I've ever seen.
Well,
Look at this one. Oh, wow. Bank Boys evening special, bro. Right there. Let's go. Savages right there. Dudes won't leave me alone, bro. These chokers following my line, eating my lures. Happy Sunday. Crazy. Boom. Yeah, bye. Right there, I ain't got nothing else for you. I'm gonna show you guys right there, bro. Sunday, Bank Boys, dude. That's how we doing it. Let's go. Can you see that? It's a big boy, man. This thing. It's a big fish, dude. Oh, that's it. Right there. Gone. Oh, with the somersault. You see that? He put the twist on it, babe. Friday, bro. A little fat, chunky, little healthy bass right there. Take it easy. Right there, bro. Nice size right there, bro. Sunday, Bank Boys, dude. That's how we doing it. Let's go. Little fatties. Little fatties. Going back with the little fatty. Bloop. Number 2 little sipper. Yes, sir. Got a little sipper right there, bro. Yeah, we out here getting them. What we want, though. Right there.